Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. Today I just wanted to touch base with you to let you know that on my Justine's Paper Doll Adventures, I have changed and created a new base kit. It has 4 different girls. Their facial expressions are a little bit different. Their skin tones are a little bit different. There are 4 sets of legs, 4 sets of arms. There's some different hands, so if you're using the short movable ones, there's some different hands than the original set that I had created. So what I did was I changed the name of the original one to a basic girl, and that's this one, and she comes with an outfit, hair, or actually 2 outfits, some accessories, hair, and she has a body and arms and legs. So this one was originally called the base kit, base collection, and I've changed this to basic girl collection. So as I've been playing around with the different types of themed kits that I'm adding to these paper doll adventures, such as fairies, mermaids, the different themes that I'm coming up with, in playing with it myself, creating the videos, putting them in my art journals and playing around with them, I just realized that every time you need a base body to put with the collection that is a theme, you have to print that first set, and you end up with printing over and over again that same outfit, hair, backpack, all that. So I kind of changed it up. So that original one is still going to be fun to purchase and still going to be a nice base if you want to use that as a base, but I changed it up so that now you get 4 different girls. So you're getting 4 bodies, 4 sets of legs, 4 sets of arms, and that gives you 4 girls to create. So when you come across one of the collections that you want to purchase that's a theme, and maybe you want to make 2 mermaids, so because they all come in black and white and color, you could print the black and white one out. You could do blonde hair instead of the way that I've colored it in the colored part that comes with the kit. But if you want to create 2, then you've got this to have the bodies and the arms, lots of arms to choose from, and 4 different bodies to choose from. So this is going to be sold as the base kit for starting off with any of them. So you can purchase this, and then you can purchase the themes, and then you use these to decorate the girls. Or you can create your own clothes for these girls. You could do that too. So it just gives you 4 cute paper dolls, lots of arms and leg choices, and some different facial expressions and skin tone colors. And you could change these up and make them the skin tones darker if you want darker skin tones. So you could do that on either the black and white, or you could even come back in with your colored pencils or markers or things and change these up if you want to make them look a little bit different. So for those of you who are enjoying the Justine's Paper Art Doll Adventures, thank you so much. It's so exciting to see people starting to use them and create them. There's a Facebook group that you can join, and you can show what you create using these collections, and I am just loving seeing what everybody's doing with them and that people are having fun. So I just thought that I would premiere this, that you'll probably, those of you who have been playing around with it are probably going to be so happy that now there is this available as some options, and to give you extra bodies and faces and arms and legs and things for printing to create as many paper dolls as you'd like. So there is a link in the description box below to take you directly to this in the Etsy shop, and also to a link to the Facebook group if you want to join. Show me what you make. Also, I've had some requests from people who have purchased the kits for more outfits and things, and so that's coming up very, very, very soon. Within the next week, I'm going to have a clothing collection that's coming out, and some more themes coming out too. So there's going to be some really fun things, so stick around. If you're having fun with paper dolls, check back, because there's more fun to come. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you're having fun today making art in your art journal, because art soothes the heart.